Gyptone ceiling systems are some of the most versatile ceiling systems on the market. They are suitable for many applications and most segments, such as schools, offices, and healthcare facilities. One of the big benefits of Gyptone ceiling systems is the ease of installation and the guidance and support available to ensure installation goes smoothly. The system we'll look at is Gyptone Big System, installed on a metal grid GK system in one level with an access panel. The Gyptone access panel is part of the big ceiling system and makes it easy to inspect the cavity behind the ceiling. GK system in one level is usually used for the big system, but many other types of metal grids and even wooden beams can be used. The GK system is fast, flexible, and easy to assemble. It's what we call a click system with minimum use of screw fixings. During installation, it's important that the boards are perfectly aligned and fixed to the grid with the appropriate screws, spaced correctly according to the advice for that product. After board installation, all joints need to be covered with filler and paper strips. This will make a strong and long-lasting connection. The final part of installation is to paint the surface. This can be done with any color, but remember never to spray paint a Gyptone ceiling. Gyptone Big is an aesthetically beautiful ceiling with no visible board connections. On the Gyptone website and our YouTube channel, Gyptone TV, there are a wide range of installation videos for all Gyptone ceiling systems, helping to ensure an easy, accurate, and aesthetically perfect installation every time.